Hello, you are welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? I'm sure you're all doing good. If you're new here, hi, my name is Victoria. Don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and be a part of this beautiful family. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, yeah, I bring you all another delicious recipe. Today we are having spaghetti and pasta dish. The meal is so easy to make, it doesn't take time at all. So here we have our pasta. This is brown pasta and brown spaghetti. The brown ones are considered to be a healthier option compared to the milky or white ones. We're going to start off by putting water in a pot. We're going to cover this and bring it to a boil. So whilst that is boiling, we're going to get on to prep our stew base. Here in a pot, add any oil of choice. We're using olive oil today. Add a little bit of onion and then put the chicken in there and fry. Here I'll add a little bit more onion and our spices. I like onions on my food, so you can go in with any spice of your choice. Here we'll have our chicken stock seasoning cube. I'll add that in and mix everything together properly. So guys, don't mind my voice. My voice is a bit cracky today because of cold. Yeah, we are entering into winter, so bear with me. I've just added a little bit of salt to taste, okay, and then stir properly. Now I'm gonna go in with tomato and pepper mix. So in here we have tomato, habanero pepper, and carrots roasted and blended to paste. So I've just added that in and mix. I'm adding a little bit more onion as we go along. Yes, so I'm just gonna stir this properly. So we're gonna check on our water. So the water is properly boiled. I'm gonna go in with pasta first and then spaghetti, and then I'm gonna stir this and then cover and cook until it is tender. So the pasta has been cooking beautifully. We're gonna check on it, press on it, and see how it feels. As you can see, it's splitted as I touched it. Okay, that shows you that it is done. It is well cooked. Now our stew is done and it's cooked properly. So we're going to transfer this in a different pot and then add our vegetables. Here is our vegetables. We have green, red, and yellow sweet peppers, and it's looking so colorful. I love it. So I'm just going to stir properly, mix well together, and then add our spaghetti. The food is already coming together, guys. I just want to use this time to say thank you so much to all my subscribers, my new and recent subscribers, my OGs on this channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate all of you. And if you haven't subscribed up till now, what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscription button and turn on your bell notification so that anytime I upload a video, you will be one of the very first to get notified. Okay, thank you so much for doing that and God bless you. So guys, look at how this food is looking. It is delicious and it tastes as much as it looks. I tell you, everyone in my family, they enjoyed it. My kids kept asking mommy for second plates. Really guys, you need to try this. Okay, you need to try this recipe. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you're going to be trying this recipe. To garnish this food, you can use anything literally. You can use prawns, you can use egg, you can use anything that you wish to garnish it with. But today we're going to be adding a little bit of spring onion and it gives it a very good flavor, guys. It is looking so colorful and that is the best part that I love so much, even though it tastes so nice. So guys, our food is ready to be served. Oh my goodness, it is so looking delicious, guys. Um, Thank you guys so much for watching. I really don't know what else to say but to say thank you. Please give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, hit the subscription button. Liking my videos help others to see my videos, okay? So guys, we've come to the end of this video today, and I'm so thrilled that you watched up till now. Before you leave, I just want to tell you that Jesus Christ loves you, he cares for you, and stay safe wherever you are. Bye.